Rylan, what'd you do?
I stapled on my fucking arm. It's a staple.
Show the vlog. Come here, come closer.
Ew, why would you do this shit?
Clickbait. He went to the hospital for this.
Oh, whoa! Whoa!
What?
I moved the muscle and I could feel it.
I'm a strong boy.
You just brought a whole ass mattress?
Two, big chungus. 3, 4, it's coming for you. 4 doesn't rhyme with you. I'm gonna get off the treadmill now. Woo!
Damn.
That's called cow tipping. Yeah. Don't put that in the vlog.
Hi, my name's Jody, and I memorized my own personal Bible quote.
Makes you a fucking hump.
Just fucking filming in Oklahoma. What other fucking state looks better than Oklahoma itself?
No.
Arizona, I guess.
Fuck you.
Big chungus.
Stop, please. I beg you.
I swear to God.
I want to actually inflict physical pain upon you. If I hear one more thing about how I look like just a Mormon trying to sell something, I'm going to be. See that curb? Bite it right now.
Your boy got nuts.
What else?
He noticed this time.
And a normal one. And a spicy one. And fries. Yeah.
What are you doing? I will inflict pain upon your body physically. Do not open. I swear, do not open. I'll hurt your body, really. Wee, oh,
You're wearing your Crocs. Those went out of business for a reason. Look at them.
They actually, fun fact, are not out of business. God.
Yeah, fun fact, they are.
No, but they're not. I
Yeah?
literally just bought some.
Dumb stuff like that, you stupid purple fat tractor.
Stop that. Oh, yeah.
Fuck me. That was stupid.
I looked away.
I'm so
You looked away?
I did look away. Okay.
You have 3 lives.
Stop, please.
This isn't even. Owie, Andrew.
Kitty.
Fuck you, bitch. Ow.
Oh, it came back. Is it too tall? Is it like falling because it's so tall? Wait, where did my beanies go?
To your right.
Oh.
Are you vlogging?
No.
You want them and everyone knows it. Put that finger down right now. Or stick it back up. I'll put it somewhere and you don't want to know where. I just use the same word to rhyme. Where?
Yeah.
Andrew. Stop.
Not my clout.
No, not the clout.
My car, you know, she hangs in there, but she's not the best.
Damn, Andrew, you fucking
Bro,
strong.
fuck Chick-fil-A service, bro. You got McDonald's out here.
McDonald's, they'll move your car for you
Pop it in
to make the
neutral.
line go
Hey, I'm
faster.
about to pop this in neutral.
Alright, let's go.
Wait, bet. Wait, bet.
You gotta stop.
I looked away. Fuck.
I'm about to go Donald Duck on your asses.
Ew. No.
No, they don't speak our language. They say we're too